Today, I will show you how to make an AI avatar using CapCut and text-to-video, and you will start earning thousands of dollars. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? I will share with you how to do it. I will show you step-by-step how to generate revenue, and no other YouTuber will explain it like this. First, go to CapCut.com. Next, click on Free AI Video Maker. Then select AI Avatar Video. After that, choose the AI avatar and type in what you want the avatar to say. Finally, check the final result to see how it looks.
I am an AI avatar.
Now, click on Script to Video to generate a video that no other YouTuber will show you. To create the script, generate a random prompt from ChatGPT.com, then copy the prompt to generate the video. Finally, check out the results. Pretty interesting, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get notifications for more updates.
The unstoppable dreamer, young woman named Aisha grew up in a small town with big dreams. From an early age, she was fascinated by technology and wanted to become an engineer, but everyone around her doubted her abilities. Engineering is not for girls, they said. Why don't you choose something easier? Despite the discouragement, Aisha never let go of her dream. She studied under the dim light of a single lamp, borrowed books when she couldn't afford them, and worked part-time to save money for college. After years of relentless effort, she secured admission to a prestigious university. But challenges didn't stop there. She was often the only woman in her class, and some professors and classmates underestimated her. Instead of feeling discouraged, she worked twice as hard, proving her worth through her skills and determination. During her final year, she faced another setback. Her family's financial situation worsened, and she couldn't afford her tuition, but Aisha refused to give up. She took on freelance work, applied for scholarships, and even started tutoring younger students. Finally, after years of struggle, she graduated with top honors. Her dedication and perseverance caught the attention of a leading tech company, which offered her a job even before she finished her final exams. Years later, Aisha became a renowned engineer, inspiring countless young women to pursue their dreams fearlessly. When asked how she overcame the obstacles, she simply said, "The only limits that exist are the ones you accept. If you refuse to give up, you are unstoppable." Moral of the story: no dream is too big if you have the courage to chase it. Hard work, resilience, and self-belief can break any barrier.